All right, here's a nice step side, 1955 Chevrolet 3100 short box step side. I'd say as far as color wise, it appears to be very similar to the pewter color GM trucks of the late 90s into the early 2000s. Interior is a nice burgundy with beige, nice rich looking interior, cloth interior and vinyl. Underneath the hood, small block Chevy powered 350 V8 paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped truck with power steering, power brakes, AC, front disc brakes also. As far as the brakes go too, we ran it through our service department, and the pads or shoes on the brakes are 3/4 or better, FYI. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures that you can see underneath the hood, check out the options I'm telling you about. If you want to check out the underside, the bed, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, feel free to call 507-386-1726. As you can see, bright work, grill, bumper, all in nice shape up in the front. Surrounds around the headlights. Also a nice condition. You may find just a few little tiny blemishes. There's one there. But overall, very, very nice truck. So power steering, power brakes, AC all under the hood of this, power windows as far as equipment goes. It's riding on Foose wheels, 17s in the front, 18s in the rear. Give it a nice looking stance. You can see up and down the side of this truck too, not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. Antenna has not been installed. If you want to put, depending on what style, antenna hole is there, ready to roll. This does have a JVC stereo system that has been added to it. And on the interior, we'll get around to that when I get around to the driver's side. I'll show you. Now, as far as the bed of it, also finished off nicely. And I just wanted to point out the gas fill is right back here. That piece can be lifted up where you see the hinge there, and the gas fill is underneath that. And that's in the still pictures too. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Coming around to the back, chrome also in nice shape on the rear of it. This does have MagnaFlow exhaust with headers. Nice sounding truck. And remember, we do consider trades. If you're living in the continental United States, we can assist you in getting this truck to where you're located at. Financing is available and may be eligible for an extended service contract also. Check with your sales associate when you call in or email. A better look at the box. And again, you can see every inch of this truck. There's probably close to 100 pictures on our website, so the still pictures. Again, at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. There's a link. It's going to take you right to us. All right, let's see. Interior, Stewart Warner gauges. We have a push button start. Tilt column. Power windows, mentioned that earlier. And then this burgundy with beige vinyl and cloth interior. Again, you can see the inside is finished off nicely. Nice headliner. Chevy bow tie. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Turn the key on. Right here is push button start. See how easily it starts. It appears oil pressure gauge works, battery, fuel, and assuming the temp gauge will come up with water temperature. So JVC stereo, AC controls. It's nicely done, nicely installed. Slip around back so you can hear that MagnaFlow. Nice little deep rumble coming out of that 350. I'm going going to slip up to the front here a second. Let's pop this hood. I'm going to give you a look at the engine bay. It's pretty nice and neat underneath there also. Good setup. So hang on a second. Let me get the hood open. All right, here we go. So 350 small block Chev. And an Edelbrock intake carburetor. As you can see, headers. AC, power steering, power brakes, nice fan, shroud, and then also electric fan installed in there. So nice, clean engine bay, nice setup. Smooth running 350. So there you have it, 1955 Chevrolet 3100 short box step side, 350 Chev under the hood with a turbo 350 trans. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the still pictures. Click on the link down below this video in the description. And remember, we can assist with transportation getting this truck to you. Financing is available. We do consider trades. May be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.